Today we're going to install a new magnetic phone charger into our Model 3. This is a new MagSafe phone mount from EVBase that we're going to install onto the screen in our Model 3. And the difference between this one and the one that I've been using is that this one actually has the charger built into the MagSafe mount. So it'll just plug in through a USB-C and attach to the screen really easily. If you're interested in this product, the link is down in the description. And if you enter the promo code SPINNER, you can get a discount. Looking inside the box for the phone charger, slides out in its little packaging. We've got, I'll check that later. This is the USB-C cable that it comes with, USB-C on both ends, and it's just this simple two-piece design. This will attach to the screen with compression, and then this will mount onto this little ball, and this is where the phone will mount. So that's pretty simple. I wonder what's in here. Let's see. Oh, these are new rings. Dry cloths and rings if you need to attach them to your phone case so that it can magnetically attach as well. If you don't already have some kind of MagSafe case, then this will be useful for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is install this bracket on the screen, and I'm going to put it in this corner by me. Just line it up there, and on the back, this is the knob, and it's going to feel to me like I'm unscrewing it to get it to tighten up. There we go. And what that does is it actually pushes this thing against, there's a little rubber foot, and it pushes it against the screen, and you want to get that snug so that the phone doesn't weigh it down. I think that should do for now. This fell off because it was really loose. There we go.
That was this piece.
And this piece here, this is the ball mount. That's, if I unscrew here, I can pop that in. And I'm going to put this piece on over the ball. That's on. And then I can just screw it on in place. There we go. And I want to do it so that the USB cable points down. I have a longer USB cable, and I'm going to do it with the one that I already had. But that is because my power supply that's down here for USB-C does not work. So do this way and then run it up into the plug. I scoot the screen back there, put my phone in place, and my phone is charging. So this is my phone from my point of view. It is right behind my steering wheel, but that's because I've got my screen here. I'm trying to decide if I want to leave it there or put it where I've had it, which is over in this direction. I can actually reach that better. Since I decided that I wanted to put it back on the passenger side where I've had it, I'm deciding to set this up off the screen first. And I'll get this at the angle that I want. I don't want the cable poking out the top, so I'm just going to roll that back around while it's loose. And then tighten that on here. And then I can just line it up onto the screen. Get it kind of loose, there we go. And then tighten it up from the back. And then I can set my phone in. And now I can show you from my perspective of, this is basically the way that I've had it before, and I can angle it in so I have a little bit more clearance, and I can have access to my phone right there. And that's how you can install that wireless phone charger from EVBase. The link's down in the description. Enter the promo code SPINNER to receive your discount. Thanks for watching.